Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm introducing a custom program that we put onto one of our standard products. Our base product was is the DC-25T-DN-W ANDON with an ANDON light. Obviously, as you can see it, it's a multicolor ANDON, so it switched different colors. I think it's up to 5. And this is a wirelessly controlled countdown timer that will count back up. And they only wanted hours and minutes, so you cannot set the seconds on this one. And also, it will flash green on the way down, counting down to 0. And then when it counts back up, it will turn the ANDON to a red color and then flash that on the way down. So I'll just go ahead and demonstrate that. Here's the wireless controller. It's 2.4 gigahertz. It's good range up to 300 feet unless you're going through a building or walls or doors, and we recommend 150 feet. But you don't have to be looking at it or pointed to it or anything like that to get it to control it, to control the timer. So anyways, I'll go ahead and we'll just set 1 minute for right now. So I'm going to set it, and then you push it once to start it, push it twice to stop the set, and then I'm just going to go ahead and push start. And as you can see, the colons are flashing in sync with the ANDON light, and it's green. And we show a minute because that's how much time you have, because the customer does not want the seconds, tenths, hundredths, shift digit function. They just want to show minutes and hours. So as it counts down, you can hear also there's a relay inside which actually activates the light on the ANDON, and it is for green. And then once it gets past or to 0 and starts counting up, it will show 0, but it will show also red. So once it gets to a minute, then it will increment to a 1 here in the right digit. So they're using this for, I think they're winding stators for compressor motors or generators. So there it is. Now it's starting to count back up. The ANDON has turned to red. The display is flashing along with the ANDON. So what we had before was the display was steady, but you had the colons flashing with the ANDON, and now we have the whole display flashing with the ANDON. Now you can press stop if you want to, but you're only going to stop the time. So I'm going to go ahead and push stop. And now the time has stopped counting back up, but the ANDON continues to flash. And it won't stop flashing until I push 0. I'll push start again, and there it is. It's continuing to count up. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and push 0, and everything stops. It's back to 0, and I could go back to the last value. Allow me to do that, and then start the process again. Again, you can go up to 99 hours, 59 minutes on this countdown timer. It's hours, minutes only. And this is not our standard product. The product is a base product, is DC-25T-W with the ANDON, but we've added this program. We modify this program. We do this all the time. This is our specialty, to take one of our base products that you'll see on the internet and change it, put a new program into it to customize it to your specifications, your needs. So again, this is Jim with DC Digital, and I'm just introducing this modification to the DC-25T-DN-W-ANDON. Thank you.